Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to check mentions on Instagram. And all we have to do is to launch our Instagram application. And from here, we're going to tap on this icon that looks like a love, not a heart shape. And as you can see, we can see the person that has actually mentioned us on a comment. You can see the guy did mention us. If we want to check on all the mentions that we've actually been mentioned here on Instagram, what you have to do is to tap on our profiles, and then we are going to tap on the three runs. Then we are going to tap on your activity, and then we're going to tap on tags. As you can see, for the time being, I haven't been tagged, but in the case that you have been tagged or mentioned, this is where you can actually check on those mentions or tag. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.